If you're looking to make high quality video ads using artificial intelligence, then you need to watch this. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of TagShop AI. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It is revolutionizing video marketing through its hyper-realistic user-generated content, or the one that we call UGC. Now guys, as you can see on your screen, okay, those are avatars that replicate real people with stunning accuracy. Okay, and as you can see, you wouldn't even recognize that they are avatars. And guys, they are powered by Hollywood grade lip sync technology and the same tool set that is used in blockbuster productions. So TagShop enables the brands to create lifelike talking avatars that drive engagement and conversations as well. So you wouldn't know. I mean, you wouldn't even recognize that the ones that you are seeing or the ones that are playing are avatars and those are artificial intelligence. You would actually come to think that they are real people. Now, at the heart of the platform, guys, is its simplicity. Okay, creating the videos here just takes 4 steps. All right, guys, so let me show you how this one works. So for AI UGC ads, go ahead and click on this one. All right, and then as you can see, Tag Shop supports Amazon product links, App Store link, Shopify product link, eBay link, etc. Now, what we're going to use is an Amazon link. Okay, so I searched for something, just randomly. So this is the Sony A7 IV. Let's go ahead and check out this one. Get the link, put it in there, and then extract URL. Now, you will be surprised on how easy to use this, guys. And of course, guys, if ever you get lost, you could always head on over to their YouTube channel where they have a lot of different tutorials that will tell you on how to do stuff with their AI. Now, guys, here you will see there are different images here from the link that we have used. Now, if I click on continue and say, for example, aspect ratio 9:16, so that's the vertical one, the ones that we used for shorts and TikTok and all that. Video length, let's say 15 seconds. Okay, and select the target audience. So let's say professional photographers that are seeking precision. So that is our target audience. And then save and generate that script. So just clicks of a button and it is going to be generating that for you. So let's just wait and see what we could get. So here you have different scripts already. So generate with AI or write your own script. So you have the promotional. Wait, did you just see the frame shift in blah, blah, blah? You have that one there, commercial advertising. You have for educational. You have even for Gen Z, you have humorous, and you have motivational. Let's try this one right here. Okay, trending topic, humorous. I want that. I want to try that one out. And then see for ourselves which one. I want this person right here, Brenda. Okay, let's generate that video. Okay, so 19 videos are generated. Select one or more to render. Okay. Let's see. I want split and speak. I think I want the split and speak. All right, let's do this. Split and speak. So this is the one that I chose. All right, let's play that.
Argue with Alpha 7 IV ends that debate with Bion's XR speed,
Look at that.
33 MP clarity, and 4K 60.
Whoa, look at that, right? You just made an ad by clicking your mouse, guys. I mean, that easy, right? So you could choose and then you could render it, right? So if you click on render, it will take credits from the one that you have. So right now I have 30 credits, so I could render the video. Okay, you have Tag Lite, standard lip sync quality for basic video rendering needs. You have Tag Pro, advanced lip sync quality with enhanced precision. Since we have created the video and I showed how that looks like, I think it's enough for them to be able to see, how the process looks like. And it's basically rendering. It's just getting the video already and then, saving it and then uploading it to wherever they need to. All right, guys. So that is how easy it is to use TagShop.ai to create your ads. You just have to click on stuff and then you just have to select, a link. Just like what I did earlier where I went to Amazon, searched for a product, and then took that link and then put it over to TagShop AI. It took all those images that it has in that Amazon link and then incorporated it with the AI that we have selected in TagShop AI and see for yourself the power of TagShop AI, because again, this is something that will definitely boost your marketing because of its high quality content creation, and it makes it easier for you to create it, and it will also save you a lot of money because you do not have to pay for your models every time, right? Now, guys, the marketers would also be able to run the A/B test with ease thanks to the built-in template variety and the bulk video creation feature as well. So it produces hundreds of tailored videos in just a few minutes. Imagine that, guys. You do not have to set up your cameras. You do not have to make up your models. You do not have to edit it and all that in a snap. You just have to type in whatever you need and then run it, and then just follow the 4 steps that I mentioned earlier, and that's it, right? So this efficiency also translates into serious performance gains. So TagShop AI also cuts production costs by up to 95%. So just like what I mentioned earlier, guys, because you do not have to spend with all like the props, the background, the venue, the people, the production team, and all that, those are money saved, okay? So you also will be able to save time. And guys, the impact is clear. Brands that uses TagShop have already reported a 300% increase in return on ad spend. And the platform, guys, also offers both public and private access tiers. So with the generous onboarding incentives, which also includes 2 free videos when users sign up with the UTM link. So you can go ahead and check out the description below, guys. That way you would be able to just click on the link and head on over to their website and then try this one out, guys. TagShop is poised to becoming a vital tool in the future of personalized, scalable video marketing. And whether for ads, product explainers, or influencer style content, TagShop AI empowers the marketers to move fast, test smarter, and convert better. So, all while keeping the cost low and the results of the performance high. So, again, you got to go ahead and check this one out. Take advantage of the technology that this one brings, because it will definitely yield to really good returns and a lot of savings in the long run. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.